Kind of pretty out today. At least the sun's out, dude. You could just flip it over.
Yeah, that's probably what we're gonna have to do.
Morning, Austin. Somebody keeps stacking all that wood right here. I don't know who that is.
It's probably that Wayne dude. Keeps screwing stuff up for us.
I like it. It was probably Wayne.
That darn Wayne.
Good morning, good morning. It is 31 degrees this morning. Charlie and I are headed to the farm and working at the wood yard today. We're gonna try to get the roof on, which would be amazing. I think we have a few tasks to do ahead, which would be, there's some flitch to mill because we need some fascia boards, and we are pretty much kind of out of lumber. So we need to get into the flitch pile a little bit because we don't need anything big. We just need something about 1 inch thick. So we can put the drip edge on, then put the foil back bubble wrap on, and then start putting the roof on, which would be nice. And then we do have a bunch of hemlock. I think we have about 70% of what we need to get the sides on the shed. But thanks for sticking with us. It's quite the project. It might be boring, you guys. Some of you were just like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna just start tuning in back when we start with maple syrup content again or something interesting. And I get it. Like, I do the same thing. If a channel I like is doing something and I'm just like, man, I'm not all that interested, there's nothing wrong with that. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. You should watch what you find interesting. I do think when this is all done, I should do a shed build in 15 minutes type episode where I take and make a composite of all the episodes, or kind of compile them together, so it gives you an idea on how we built the shed with some key points. And that video will probably do better because there's a satisfaction with seeing something built in 15 minutes. Anyways, thanks for stopping in. We definitely have a challenge ahead of us. Stuff's buried in snow. It's not going to be easy, but we're going to get to it. Hey, thanks for sticking around. A little more snow on the ground here, huh? So I'm out here at the wood yard. Austin and I are going to try to get a roof on this thing tonight. It's looking good. It's looking good. That's the plan. That's the plan. But I'll turn you around and show you part of the challenges we're going to face today. So you can see there's our siding. It's covered in snow. There's our roofing. Our metal is on that trailer. And then we need to mill some flitch, which is actually underneath just a little bit of snow. So here's our, now this isn't very much snow compared to what they got 15 miles north of us. Called the lake effect. This is just a little dusting. So yeah, it looks like we do have some flitch to mill up. Yep, this will make some siding, some battens. So that's our challenge for the day. We need to get some fascia on there, drip edge, bubble wrap, and hopefully get the roof on. That's the goal. That's Sawyer humor there. Blaming Wayne for everything.
Blaming Wayne. Reminds me of Forrest Gump.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. How was Vietnam? Oh, we walked around, looked for some guy named Charlie. Never did find him. There we go.
Not everybody gets a movie made about their life like Austin does.
Hey, what can I say? Not everybody has a life worth making a movie about.
That's true. Lucky guy. I thought you were going to say, what can I say? I get to work with Nate Bissell every day.
Yeah, you would have liked that, wouldn't you?
Every day. Some people can't handle it, Austin.
You ever watch The Office?
Yeah.
I feel like this is the equivalent of the 9-year documentary at the Dunder Mifflin office.
Well, then you're obviously Dwight Schrute. And I guess I'm Michael Scott.
I was going to say, I suppose you're Michael Scott.
My kids say when I film, they feel like they're watching The Office and I'm Michael Scott.
I'd like to say I'm Jim.
Everybody would.
You know what? Imitation is the most sincere form of flattery, so I thank you. Identity theft is not a joke, Jim.
Remind me, shiny up or shiny down?
Shiny up. I'm gonna get you screws. Where's the dad burn screw gun? You can come up a little, we're good. Come up a little bit. That's perfect. I think we can slide it on, I really do. Put this guy on straight.
Okay.
Beautiful thing.
Very good. That's good. Works for me.
Yeah. If you're wondering why Austin and I are pushing so hard to get this roof on, it's because this is how much snow has been shoveled off of the deck here. So you got the deck. Every time we got to go work, we shovel. I think, Austin, you've done it twice, right?
Yeah.
I've done it once, he's done it twice. And once was enough for me. So that's why we're pushing to get this roof on. I'm so glad I didn't have to get on this roof. It's sharp looking, dude.
Good up here.
All right, man. Capper.
Capping her off.
My favorite part about it is all of your blood on it. At least we got the ridge cap shot, Austin. Charlie, you ready to go home? Are you ready to go home? Is that what the issue is? Are you done? Do you think Charlie's ready to go home? I think he is. You ready to go home, puppy dog? Hmm? You ready to go home? Hmm? Say hi to everybody. Charlie. Charlie, watch this. Think he wants me to pet him? I'll just hold my hand. I'm gonna get you a shot. The roof is on the shed. It's kind of hard to get a shot of it, really. Let me turn it around and see how. Pretty sky. Now that's pretty. You see that, Austin? Roof's on. The roof is on. This Woodland Mills cut all the lumber for this shed. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Mm-hmm. LED, 5,500 lumens. Got this from Nisen Auto Parts in Jefferson. They take care of us there.
Good old Nisens.
Yep, they take care of us there. So some of these lights, I'm gonna take a picture of it. I like the 5000K for the color. That's the lumens. That's different. I like 5000K, which they call daylight. So to me, out of all of them, it's the most consistent with everything that I buy. So I try to get 5,000K for the color. Are you ready to go home, puppy? You're done. Okay. He's ready. All right. We're going to go home. Let me get my coat. Let's go home. Come on. Let's go home. Go to the truck. He knows where he's going. He knows which door is his. All right, buddy. Hop up in there.